In this video, we will view the novelties in wire EDM. We start by opening this solid file. The support face is okay. We validate the stock and the origin is fine. So we have quite a complex solid file here. Let's first do the part analysis as usual. What we directly notice is that the analysis has been done automatically without having to choose a solid face. This is a new feature from V6.11. As long as there is only one solid part, the selection is automatic and the calculation is done. Now the recognition of the profiles is like the previous version, but the new addition here is that strategies are also automatically applied to these profiles, as is the case here. So we just need to follow by creating the list of threading points and execute the machining calculations. We have more than 60 different profiles of various types. The whole machining calculation will be done in a couple of minutes. The purpose here is to maximize the automation of the machining process in wire EDM. And we are very close to that. So the calculation is done. Let's quickly simulate to go through the numerous operations. So we see the various operations being carried out. Next, let's see how this smart automation is possible. Let's open to modify one of the strategies. We choose this one, for example. If we right-click on it, we'll get access to this new option, Typology. This is where we define the automation rule for the strategy. We can choose between the typologies straight or tapered cylinders, straight cut, constant or evolutive tapers, or 4-axis cycles. Note that for straight and taper cuts, the cylinder types have been added to differentiate between the shapes and define separate strategies for them. Also for the cylinder types, we can set a value for the minimum and the maximum diameter. For example here, the range is from 0 to 10 mm. We can validate and save this strategy here, but for this example we will leave it as it is, since it has already been properly defined. Now finally, if you remember the minimum and maximum diameter range that was defined, this helps to better categorize the cylinder cycles in the machining tree. For example, all cylinder machining between 0 to 10 mm categorized under this strategy, same for 10 to 20, etc.